Here's the 3 best ways you can make money while you're sleeping. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, one thing that people always search for online, this actually get a decent amount of searches, is how to make money while you're asleep. The truth of the matter is, it is possible. There's people out there like, oh man, you can't make money while you sleep, man. Come on, man. And that's that, the 9 to 5 mentality will tell you that that's impossible. You can't make money while you're asleep, right? But the truth is you actually can. And there are many ways that you can do this, but in this video, I'm gonna go over 3 of the best ways that you can make money while you're asleep. Now, let me make one thing absolutely clear. You can make money while you're asleep, but this is based off of you actually doing some work while you're awake. Now, side note, there may be some paid studies out there that actually will pay you while you're sleeping. You know what I'm saying? They might monitor your breathing and shit. I don't know about it, but that might be out there. But in this video, I'm going over things that if you actually do the work while you're awake, it can actually put money in your account when you're asleep. I know these things work because I've done them. Now, the first thing is being a Kindle book publisher. Now, some people might be like, what the hell? I'm not a writer. I can't write a book, dude. Listen, I got, I think 7, 8 books for sale right now on Amazon. And, I never went to school for writing or anything like that, but it's very, very easy to do. And it can actually pay you while you're sleeping, because I've been selling books on Kindle for at least 8 to 9 years. And I haven't missed a month yet where I haven't made some money. Now, the truth is, when I got started with Kindle, I bought this course, right? And the course basically teaches you, how to write a Kindle book, how to publish it, blah, blah, blah. And the strategy was to be like, yo, you should aim to have, 50 to 100 to hundreds of Kindle books published, right? And you can make all this crazy money. And I was super excited about it. But, ultimately, I only ended up with like 7 or 8 books on Kindle. Now, like, do I wish I would have, written or had written, 100 books, 200 books? Hell yeah. But I didn't, because if I would have, I'm sure I would have made a lot more money as a Kindle book publisher. But even with having 7 to 8 books out, I still earn money every single month. Because there's nothing better than waking up in the morning, checking your Amazon account and seeing you sold 2 books when you was in La La Land. Now, one thing I just kind of alluded to was, writing books or having someone write your books for you. Now, I wrote all of my books that I put out on Kindle, but you can actually pay for a ghostwriter, and they're not even really that expensive now, but you can actually pay someone to write your book for you, and all you got to do is pretty much upload it. Now, a second way that you can get paid while you're asleep is an obvious one. All right, just look around. Right? Bam! Right here. YouTube, right? Now, I'm sure you probably already hip to this, but YouTube is one of the best ways to make money while you're sleeping. Now, of course, you want to get monetized. So here's how dope YouTube actually is. You can literally post a video right before you go to sleep. All right? You can hit publish and then go to sleep. And then 6 to 8 hours later, you can get up, check your analytics, and see how much money you made. Like, some people, they go to bed, right? They wake up and they're like, oh man, cool. You know what I'm saying? I made $30 last night in my sleep from my YouTube video. And then there's other people, right? Like the big boys, they'll get up, they'll check their analytics. They made $1,000 while they were asleep, right? $2,000 while they were sleeping. Like, you can't get no cooler than that. You just can't. Now, a third way that you can make money while you're sleeping, and to me is the best way to make money while you're sleeping, is with affiliate or network marketing. Because if you don't know exactly what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you promote somebody else's product or services, and for every sale you generate, you get a cut. You get a nice little commission. Now, depending on what you're promoting, you can earn anywhere from 5% commissions all the way up to 75% commissions, usually whenever you're promoting like digital products, but the money is there. So whenever you are an affiliate of something, obviously you need some sort of strategy to promote it, right? And most people, they promote things, on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels, and you guessed it, YouTube. So this is the same concept. Imagine, you put out some Facebook posts or some TikTok videos, right? And you got your affiliate link in your bio or description or whatever. You go to bed and you wake up. Imagine you sold 50 whatever, right? With $10 commissions that you got. That's $500 you just made because you was promoting something that got you $10 a sale. This is not fairy tale or far-fetched. Like, people do this all the time. But if you really want the ultimate way to make money while you're sleeping, it is combining YouTube with affiliate marketing. So you got a monetized YouTube channel, which means you get paid from the ads that pop up on your videos, all right? So you do a video talking about whatever, right? Related to whatever your affiliate product you're promoting is, right? So you do a video talking about the product or whatever. You put your affiliate link in the description of that video. So you go to bed, click publish, you wake up. Not only can you check your YouTube analytics to see what you earned from ads, but now you can check your affiliate program stats to see if you got any commissions. So just imagine, right? Imagine you posting a video, you go to sleep, you wake up, and you seen where you made, $75 in YouTube ad money, and you made $300 in commissions, right? Imagine that. And to be fair, not to leave out Kindle book publishing, you can create YouTube videos and put your Kindle book link in the description of your YouTube videos and make money that way. So in my opinion, these are the best ways to actually make money while you're sleeping. Now, if you want to check out one of the ways that I make money online every single month, and even while I'm sleeping, you want to watch this video right here, right now.